All right, here's a midway point, halfway to halfway. Cadillac Mountain.
What does halfway to halfway mean?
That means we're halfway to the halfway point. So much progress.
Like halfway until we get there and then go back? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, something like that.
Not to like make us stop again, but I think I want to put on sunscreen.
Do it. You want to do it now?
Yeah.
Harbor and get food.
Here we are, taking a break. We are essentially up on top. If you can see all that. It's where the mountains meet the sea. Speechless.
And then hopefully you create this culture around like it's cool to use less. I want to be at the other end. They should have started publishing
I thought you meant like the TV show or something. I was like, what are you talking about? Look how close we are.
Can I have my water? You took a video.
They are a lot.